You may be wondering what this is in your house. I know I was just as confused when I saw one, but we all have one of these in our homes. You may see them at your parents' house, your grandmother's house, churches, schools, bookstores, and backyards. This, my friends, is a refrigerator. The refrigerator is a slacker. They'll creep into your homes and occupy your kitchens. What do? They make things cold. Do we want things cold? We don't know if we want things cold, but you know what? The refrigerator does it anyway. Why does it do it? Because it's a freeloader. So you know what? Keep your eyes peeled for one of these intruders that works its way into your home and makes it look like any other everyday appliance. But it's not an everyday appliance. It is a freeloader disguised like another appliance. So keep your eyes peeled. Bones? Bones! You have lots of bones. You can store bones in a kelvinator. You know how many bones you can keep in a kelvinator? Over 5 bones.
And they won't even frost.
No frost. You don't want any frosty bones because they all fit in the kelvinator, especially if you have over 5 of them. You can fit like 20 bones inside the kelvinator. 25 kelvinators in the bones.
You can have 25 kelvinators in your house.
You have them
and fit 2 bones.
32 bones inside the kelvinator. No frost.
No frost now.
No frosty Mr. Frosty Bones coming around my house because I have a kelvinator. So hit the road, Jack.
And don't you come back. How many?
No more. How many Italians can you fit in a kelvinator? 40 bones. If you order a kelvinator now, we'll throw in a shower.
Yeah. And they defrost in the no frost kelvinator.
No frost zone. Just looking for his bones.
2 bones.
You can take a gallon of blood.
Dormirse en la cama, darse prisa en tu alma, ratoncito en el club, no heroica, con Pau O'Malley. Ratoncito le gusta danza cuando estudio en la escuela. Pajarita se cubre de botín cuando visita a su abuela. Si necesita una amiga, debe hablar con ratoncito. Si quieres ser mi amante, debe ser alta y delgadita.
You want some wings? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Woo! 13 Raiders! No frost, kelvinator, no bones, 2 bones, 5 bones, 25 bones, no frost, kelvinator.
Go.